everyone, this is Charles Phillips with McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people. Today I'm going to show you how to use the collision alert and adjust the settings for that feature in the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Alright, so what we're going to do right here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to see this little icon right in the middle of all of your cruise control buttons. So this is going to be your collision alert settings. So if we press this button and look at the driver information screen, you'll see that you have a far setting, medium setting, near setting, and back to far. So that's just kind of something that you know, it's your own personal preference. So as you're driving the vehicle, just find out what works best for you. And now do remember, if you have any questions for us, please give us a call at 903-374-0227. And again, this is Charles Phillips with McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people.